Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a special marine warning for southern Bay of Green Bay until 7:15 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Longtail Point Light to 6 nautical miles northwest of Green Bay, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Little Swamico, Green Bay Harbor Entrance Light, Longtail Point Light, and Bayshore Park. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.